This is my fourth video and the barriers are down and there comes the CN train. There's 1, 2, and there's the H&R transport to Maersk. It's going down the track for Germany. There's the CNCP train, and there's the Evergreen train, and the H&R transport, and there's another Evergreen and H&R transport, and the Maersk train. And that's taking the video for Germany. It's Sunday. What the Goreaway train tries, and there's the CN train. It's going down the track. There's another CN train. It's a very long train. And there's the CNCP train. It's going down the track for Germany. And there's the CNCP train. It's going down the track. It goes way down there. I'm taking the video for Germany. There's the CN train. And the main train car, and there's a CN train. I'm taking a video for Germany. There's a Costco train, and there's the CNCP train. I'll zoom in. There's the CNCP train. I'm taking a video for Germany. There's the CNCP train. There's the Maritime Ontario. There's the Translats in the Maritime Ontario train. It's coming down the track for Germany. There's the CNCP train. It's going down the track. That's taking a video for Germany. There's the CNCP train. It's going down the track. That's taking a video. There's the CNCP train. There's the Translats train. And SMACGM. There's the CN train. And the Maritime Ontario train. And the barriers are down. There's another CN train, this very long train. There's the CNCP train, there's a Translats train. Now I'll zoom back out, and there's a Translats train. It's going down the track for Germany. There's the CNCP train. It's going down the track. There's another CN train. And there's the Translats, 2 of them. And there's the CNCP train. It's going down the track. I'm taking a video for Germany. There's the CN train. It goes way down there, trains. I'm taking a video for Germany. There's the CN train. It's going down the track. There's another CN train. It's a very long train. There's the CN train. It's going down the track. I'm taking a video for Germany. There's the CN train. It's going down the track for Germany. There's the SM line train. And another SM line train. And I'll talk to you later. That's going to do in the next video. Bye.